The Monotrack Straight Quad. The straight quad is used for posterior quad impressions. Step 1. Trim the impression flat and parallel to the occlusal plane to fit within the vertical dimensions of the articulator bases for straight parallel setup. Shown here are the Monotrack impression and model trimmers. This tool is helpful in creating a straight square alignment and setup. Step 2. Align the quad base over the die side of the impression in idealized center position and trace indicator lines with a Sharpie pen. These will guide your alignment of the base over the impression during the pour. Step 3. Mix the die stone to the required specifications. It is always preferred to pour the die side of a double bite impression first. Do not pour the opposing side first to avoid distorting the die side from stone expanding on the first pour side. Pour the base tray to the top edge and the impression, leaving a convex bead just above full. Do not overfill to minimize cleanup and grinding procedures. Align the tray over the impression to the previous markings and let set. Step 4. After the stone has set up, attach and snap on the female side of flex arm hinge member to the base tray. Prepare the opposing tray with the male flex arm member. Now pour the opposing side of the impression and the base tray. Then engage the hinge and close it over. Let set. Step 5. After the opposing stone has set up, remove the impression and peel off the tearaway walls. Excess flash can easily be removed with the Monotrack trimmers. Step 6. Scrape and burnish the small tear tags and the parting line between the model and the base to make it smooth. Mark and ID the models to their bases with a case number or color coding. Step 7. The die side of the model is now removed from the tray by grasping the model and tapping the tray to remove it. Try to achieve an even liftoff from the base. We offer an optional light mist silicone spray if bases are not being removed within 24 hours. Step 8. The model can now be sectioned with a handsaw, handpiece disc, or as shown here, the Monotrack die cutter and processing station. If you choose to die section with a motorized disc such as a handpiece or Monotrack cutter, it is important and highly recommended to pre-dry the model in our dehydrator to make dust and debris removal fast and efficient. This will ensure a precision fit back onto the base and will also avoid time-consuming steam cleaning procedures. If required, insert a Monotrack plug-in adjustable vertical stop for free-in bridge cases as featured in the Radius Quad video. The adjustable plug-in stop, the tearaway base former, the internal retained dies, and the flex arm hinge are all features exclusive to Monotrack.